From the vibrant blooms of a rose garden, where each petal seems to whisper secrets of nature's beauty, to the bountiful harvest of a vegetable patch, brimming with ripe, juicy produce ready to be enjoyed, the plant kingdom never ceases to amaze us with its diversity and splendor. Each plant, whether a delicate flower or a robust vegetable, has its own story to tell. But did you know there are simple techniques to enhance your plant's growth, health and yield? These methods can transform your garden into a thriving oasis. Today we'll reveal 10 gardening tricks using everyday items. These hacks are not only easy to implement but also incredibly effective. These methods are grounded in scientific principles, ensuring that you get the best results. From using kitchen scraps to innovative watering techniques, there's something for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned horticulturist or a novice just starting out, these hacks offer fascinating insights into the plant world. You'll learn how to make the most of your garden space and resources. Watch till the end for these easy and useful garden tips. By the time you're done, you'll be equipped with knowledge that can turn any garden into a lush paradise. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. Our journey begins with an unlikely hero, copper. Known for its electrical conductivity, copper also enhances plant growth and yield. Copper is crucial for photosynthesis, aiding in chlorophyll production. Copper deficiency can hinder these functions, leading to stunted growth. Our simple hack copper wire. Wind copper wire around plant stems to create a pathway for copper ions. This boosts plant vigor, with healthier foliage and more robust stems. Consider copper wire as your garden's secret ingredient. Rice, a staple food, offers benefits beyond our plates. It's a versatile grain that nourishes millions around the world, but its usefulness doesn't end in the kitchen. Rice water, left after rinsing or cooking rice, is a potent plant elixir. This cloudy liquid, often discarded, is actually a treasure trove of nutrients for your garden. It contains nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, essential for plant growth. These key nutrients are the building blocks for strong, healthy plants. These nutrients promote healthy foliage, vibrant blooms, and a bountiful harvest. Imagine your garden bursting with life thanks to this simple natural fertilizer. Rice water also contains growth-promoting hormones. These hormones can stimulate root growth and enhance the overall development of your plants, making them more resilient and robust. Collect and dilute rice water, then use it to water your plants weekly. A simple routine of watering with rice water can make a significant difference in your garden's health. Plants treated with rice water grow faster, greener, and resist pests better. The natural compounds in rice water can help deter harmful insects and diseases. Save that precious rice water for your garden. Instead of pouring it down the drain, store it in a container for future use. It might be the liquid gold your garden needs. With regular use, you'll see your plants thrive like never before, turning your garden into a lush, vibrant paradise. Plants have evolved to maximize sunlight exposure, yet some plants may still be shaded. Enter aluminum foil, a common household item. Place foil around plant bases to reflect sunlight onto leaves. This enhances photosynthesis, boosting growth. Aluminum foil also deters pests like slugs and snails. Tear off sheets of foil and spread them around plant bases. The reflected light promotes healthier, more vigorous growth. Graphite rods can optimize nutrient absorption in your garden. Graphite enhances the flow of ions, boosting nutrient uptake. Insert graphite rods into the soil around your plants. This creates conductive pathways, facilitating nutrient movement. Particularly beneficial in compacted soils, graphite rods channel nutrients to roots. Procure graphite rods and insert them vertically into the soil. The results: increased vigor, healthier foliage, and robust root systems. Unlock your garden's potential with graphite rods. Did you know that common items from your medicine cabinet, like caffeine and aspirin, can actually revitalize your garden? It's true. Caffeine, often found in coffee and tea, enhances photosynthesis, which is the process plants use to convert sunlight into energy. This boost in photosynthesis can significantly enhance plant growth, making your garden flourish. Aspirin, on the other hand, contains salicylic acid, a natural plant hormone that plays a crucial role in plant health. This hormone helps plants to grow stronger and more resilient. By boosting plant immunity, salicylic acid makes plants more resistant to pests and diseases. This means fewer chemicals and pesticides are needed, making your garden more eco-friendly. To use these items, simply dissolve caffeine or aspirin in water and apply the solution to your plants weekly. It's an easy and cost-effective way to give your garden a little extra care. Over time, you'll notice that plants treated with these solutions grow faster, appear healthier, and are better at resisting pests compared to untreated plants. The difference can be quite remarkable. So next time you're in your garden, consider giving it a surprising boost from your medicine cabinet. Your plants might just thank you for it. This simple hack can lead to healthier, more resilient plants, making your gardening experience even more rewarding. Try it out and watch your garden thrive. Your garden will thank you with lush, vibrant growth. Magnetism might unlock greater growth potential in gardens. Studies suggest magnetic fields enhance germination and growth. Magnetic fields influence water and nutrient movement in plant cells. This boosts metabolic processes and stimulates growth. Expose seeds to a magnetic field before planting. Alternatively, place magnets around your garden bed. Experimenting with magnetism can be a fascinating journey. Unlock hidden potential within your plants. Electricity might unlock greater growth potential in gardens. Applying low-voltage electric currents can stimulate growth. This phenomenon, known as electroculture, enhances nutrient uptake. Introduce a weak electric current into the soil. Use electrodes or conductive materials like copper wire. Electroculture can increase growth rates and improve resistance to pests. Experiment with electricity for healthier, more productive plants. Harness the power of electricity in your garden. Eggshells are a treasure trove of calcium for plants. Calcium is essential for strong cell walls and healthy growth. Calcium deficiency can cause stunted growth and blossom end rot. Supplement your garden with crushed eggshells. Sprinkle them around plant bases to release calcium into the soil. This simple hack provides calcium and reduces household waste. Mimic nature's resourcefulness with eggshells. Unlock a treasure trove of nutrients for your garden. Charcoal enhances soil health and plant growth. It improves soil structure and retains water and nutrients. Charcoal provides a haven for beneficial microorganisms. These microbes break down organic matter, making nutrients available. Mix charcoal with potting mix or sprinkle it around plant bases. The long-lasting benefits of charcoal reward you with healthier soil. Stronger plants and a more vibrant garden await. Incorporate charcoal for a thriving garden ecosystem. Aloe vera offers benefits beyond human ailments. Aloe vera gel boosts plant health and stimulates growth. It promotes root development and heals plant injuries. Apply aloe vera gel to cuttings or seedlings for strong roots. Aloe vera gel has antifungal and antibacterial properties. Extract gel from a mature leaf and apply it to plants. Alternatively, dilute the gel with water for a soil drench. Harness the healing power of aloe vera for your garden. As we've journeyed through these 10 gardening hacks, we've uncovered simple yet effective techniques to unlock your garden's potential. From copper and rice water to magnetism and electricity, the possibilities are vast. These hacks are accessible to anyone, regardless of gardening expertise. Try these techniques and watch your garden flourish. Enjoy the journey of discovery in the fascinating world of plants. Happy gardening!